baby is going through teething pain. Here is one simple way you can just help provide some relief for them when they're really in distress and in a lot of pain. Basically, take a clean cloth, wrap it around your finger. I know, my love. I'm sorry. And then massage their gums. So basically, press against their teeth. Most of the time, you can see the teeth poking through. So Jaya is getting his top teeth now, and he's been in a lot of pain. So this would just provide some relief on the gums because it's quite sore, it's painful, and really helps just calm them down. Yeah, honey, sorry. And because your finger is wrapped, you can also let them bite bite on it, and that will also help provide some relief also. There you go. There you go. Hold on. Oh, my love, sorry. I know. I know.